Today, we're going to teach you how to make a kit from apple blossom. The materials that we're going to use to make this kit are 12 roses, 5 hydrangeas, Gypsophilia and greenery, and some utensils like oasis, scissors or scalpel, vase, and flower tape. So, we're going to prepare the oasis by taking the plastic container. You need to measure your container according to the vase's height and width. Make sure you can fit it into your vase. Once you've made the perfect shape, put it in the center of your vase. Now, you need to secure the oasis to the vase's rim. Use the flower tape or normal tape to ensure it. The idea is that your flower arrangement stays firm. After you've prepared the base of your arrangement, you can start to set up the flowers. You will start with the hydrangea if you want to, and if you see that the flowers are too tall, you can cut their stems. Now, we'll begin to take the gypsophilia and place them between the hydrangeas. We will fill any gaps with roses, and anywhere there is a space. Any remaining gaps can be filled with greenery.